Welcome to another video, the same every time, IGCSE Maths, GCSE Maths, looking at the kind of questions that apart from the numbers are the same every time. We're still looking at vector questions, the vector questions that have numbers in them. And why not try this? Try this question. Pause the video, have a go. If you've watched the other videos in this particular set, you should know how to do at least part A, part B. Anyway, while you've paused that, I'll have a go at this myself. So they tell us f is the point, so that's coordinates 1, -4. Vector fg is 8, -3. So if I move from the point f to the point g, I have to go 8 across, 8 to the right, and 3 down. GH vector is -12, 35. So if I want to move from the point G to the point H, I have to go 12 to the left, -12, and then 35 up. So 3 times FG. FG is 8, -3. Just multiply both the numbers by 3. So 24 would be 3 times 8. 3 times -3, -9. So 24, -9. FG plus GH, right? So FG is 8, -3, plus GH, which is -12, 35. So 8 plus -12, again, thinking about your number line, starting at 8 on the number line, adding -12 is the same as subtracting 12, so moving 12 to the left, and that will take you to -4. -3 plus 35, starting at -3 on the number line, and moving 35 places to the right will take you to +32. If you're doing this non-calculator, of course, if you're doing it calculator, then you can always use it. So the coordinates of the point G. Okay, something maybe new here, but they tell us f to G is 8, -3. So that means if I am at the point F, so there's the point F, and I want to go to the point G, F to G, I have to move 8 that way, so 8 that way, and I have to move 3 down. I'll call it -3, and that will take me to the point G. So F to G is 8 to the right and 3 down. So what are the coordinates of the point G? Well, they tell me that F is the point 1, -4. So F is 1, -4. So to go from F to G, I move 8 across. So if I'm starting at 1 and I'm moving 8 in the X direction, so 1 is my X coordinate, I'm moving 8 in the X direction, that's going to take me to 9 on my X axis. And if I'm starting at -4 on my y-axis and I have to move 3 down, that's going to take me to -7. So 9, -7. Just starting at the point F, 1, -4, moving 8 to the right and 3 down, 8 in the X direction, -3 in the Y direction. That will take me to 9, -7. 2 marks for this part of the question, the next part of the question, and unusually they are using the words magnitude and vector in the question here. So the magnitude of the vector GH. Well, GH was -12, 35. To work out the magnitude, first number squared, be careful because that's a negative, plus second number squared. I'm putting the negative squared in the brackets. That's what you'll need to do on your calculator. Square rooted, that's how to work out the magnitude of a vector. Well, check that you can do this on your calculator. I'm doing this on my calculator. Square root sign bracket inside your square root, -12, close bracket, squared, plus 35 squared. And, well, I've got the answer, nice round number. This is 37. Check that you've got that answer on your calculator. Of course, the big mistake that people make with this kind of question is not putting the brackets around the -12 or Sometimes people do put the brackets, but they put it only around the 12, things like that. So it has to be negative 12 inside the brackets on your calculator with the squared outside. Type it into your calculator exactly as it looks. So magnitude, that's how you do it. Top number squared plus bottom number squared inside a square root sign. It's the size of the vector, the length of the line, if you like, if I was to draw it. And once again, thank you very much for watching the video. I do hope it's been useful to you. And if it was useful, then please do like and subscribe, and I will be back for the next one.